Hey everyone, I'm getting on here really quickly to talk about an interesting topic that we may all be real familiar with right now, and that's stress eating. And just today, I was just thinking why all of my snacks that I bought 2 days ago are completely out, and it's because I've been stress eating. So, this is something that everybody is going through, and I just want to spend some time talking about it. So, if you are a stress eater, I'm going to talk about why it happens, and then I'm going to explain what you can do to curb that eating. So during stressful times like COVID 19, where we feel a lot of uncertainty, a lot of disappointment and negativity, believe it or not, we unconsciously choose to eat because it suppresses the fight or flight response, which is better known as the stress response. And the stress response is exactly what it sounds like. Your body essentially changes physiologically the way that you feel. It changes to adapt to stressful thoughts and situations because it's preparing you to fight or to run away from a threat. But in everyday situations, we're no longer in hunter gathering days where we had to fight a lion or run away from a cheetah. We're just chilling at home. And in a research paper called The Neuroscience of Compulsive Eating Behavior, they analyzed reasons why we overeat, not only compulsively, but to relieve negative emotional states. And it was shown that eating comfort food was found to be effective in mitigating this fight or flight or stress response. Now, the reason eating reduces stress is because eating allows our bodies to begin digestion, which is associated with the physiological state called the rest or digest response. So our body shifts its energy, it puts more energy into processes like digestion, and that leaves you feeling more relaxed because our attention is more on the digestion aspect. So this allows our body to conserve energy and feel relaxed, like I just mentioned. Besides the health risk factors of overeating, calming yourself through this way is effective, but it's inefficient. So it's believed that we only feel full about 20 minutes after we start eating. And not only that, it takes an additional 30 minutes for digestion to take place. So this can leave you feeling stressed out for an additional 30 minutes to 1 hour after you've begun eating. Now, you can actually control your physiological state consciously in another manner by just engaging in a 2-minute breathing exercise. The key here is that you want to slow down your breathing because it's another conscious way that we can actually control the way that our bodies feel. So, what you want to do is you want to spend 4 seconds breathing in through the nose. You pause for 2 seconds, and then you got to make sure that your exhale is slow and long. You repeat this for the 2 minutes, and you'll notice how much calmer and more centered you feel. And what actually happens here is this changes the ratio of oxygen to carbon dioxide in the body, which then signals to your brain that you can become calm. Another way that this happens is that the movement of the diaphragm, which is engaged in conscious breathing, actually talks to the brain about our physiological state. So when we breathe faster, we actually make our minds more stressed, and when we breathe slower, we make our minds more calm. So next time you are thinking about eating in between meal times, ask yourself if it's because you're just not feeling so great, or you're agitated, or you're feeling stressed out. Remember, there are better and faster ways to do it through your breathing. The breathing brings you back down to earth and allows you to make more mindful and conscious choices. Thank you.